Hey guys, welcome to another episode on the Nate SRT YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to do rev matching on a manual for downshifting and why you should do it. Yeah, so let's get to it. Well, first we got to start the car. What is rev match downshifting and why should you do it? So basically what rev match downshifting is when you're in a higher gear and you want to get to a lower gear to pass, or you want to slow the car down if you're coming to a turn so you can maintain the optimum power band in the lower gear at a slower speed. In the lower gear, your RPMs are going to be higher than they were in the higher gear. So what rev matching does is you blip the throttle so that when you go into the lower gear, your engine speed is right around where it needs to be in that lower gear. It makes for a much smoother shift, so you don't have this jerkiness that disrupts the weight balance of the car, and it also puts less wear on your clutch, and it's just cool as hell. So I'm going to show you how to do it. We're on the highway here. Let me get into a high gear, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So here I'm on the highway, I'm in 6th gear, I slow down a little bit. So what do? Clutch, gear change, blip, let go of the clutch. Now, I don't know if you could hear that, but basically what you would have heard is me blipping the throttle to bring those RPMs up. So when I take my foot off the clutch, the shift is just smooth. So yeah, we'll do a few more here. Okay, so I want to slow down. I'm in 6th, clutch, lower gear. There you go. Let's do that again. Clutch, lower gear, blip, let go of the clutch. Clutch, lower gear, blip, let go of the clutch. So with practice, you'll be able to do that pretty quick. Yeah, you just got practice. Practice makes perfect. I would do a little on-ramp pull here. Another mini pull of traffic today. So that was another rev match downshift from 3rd to 2nd. All right, so remember, clutch, lower gear, throttle blip, let go of the clutch. Clutch, lower gear, blip, let out the clutch. You just got to practice. With practice, you'll figure out how much you need to blip based on where you are in the higher gear and where you're trying to go. And you just keep practicing. You get faster, you get better. But that feeling when you nail it perfectly is great. Clutch, lower gear, throttle blip, let out. So you can use this when you're coming off an on-ramp. If it's a green, then you'll be in the right gear when you make the turn. But you just do the same thing as you're going down the gears. Clutch, lower gear, blip, let go. Clutch, lower gear, blip, let go. Clutch, lower gear, blip, let go. Now you can use this. You can use the rev match downshifting coming to a rotary. Remember, same thing. And now I'm in the right gear when I exit the rotary or the turn. All right, guys, I think that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to cover today. I hope you got something out of this. If you did, please click like and subscribe to see more stuff on the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.